boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Weeks. That means you wish for songs. I bring them up normally on Wednesdays, on Wish Wednesday. But this time around, we have weeks of your wish songs. So we will highlight your songs more. And this time we have also used sub-rural. Perhaps there are a couple others out there who wished for this song from Jake. It's called Golden Hour. So this one is for you. I know at least sub-rural wished for this one. So yeah, hope you will enjoy it. And I can just mention this is a piano-based song. And you will see how Jake plays his piano beautifully there. We'll translate this into guitar and come as close as possible of how we could perform it on a guitar. So in a very simple and easy manner, we're going to go through the chords. And we have 8 chords this time for the song. So we stripped out a couple chords that are typically made for piano, and yeah, they have this bridges going over between 2 chords and all that, but we strip it down and make it as clear as possible, made for guitar. So let's do this together, no need for any capo here, and let's go into the chords. We'll start off with the F sharp minor. Alright, so that's a bar chord. You play the bar on the 2nd fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Alright, then we have the G sharp minor. It's the exact same grip, you just move it 2 frets towards you. You land with the bar finger now on the 4th fret, you bar all strings there, and it follows the rest there. That means you're gonna add 6 on A and 6 on D. We also got the G sharp. All right, so what you do there from the G sharp minor, you keep everything and you just add the 5th fret on the G string. So 5th on G added to the G sharp minor, and that gives us the G sharp. All right, then we'll move on with the A major 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, 1st G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the E major 7 as well. And it goes open E, 2nd A, 1st D, 1st G, open B, and open E. All right, we have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. We got the E7 as well. That is open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is an E, but with a G sharp in the bass. We'll play it like this. I think that is the easiest. Chord. We have different variations of this chord. You can go up to this position, but whereas since we are here and playing, we'll stay at this position. That gives us 4th on E, 2nd on A, 2nd on D, and 4th on G. What I do here, I place a little bar on the 2nd fret to get the 2nd fret strings there, the A and D, and then I just add 4th on E and 4th on G. And when I do the strumming, I stay away from the higher strings down here, the B and E. So I play in the mid bass area for this E-G chord. All right, so there we have all the chords, the F sharps and all that good stuff, the majors we need for this Golden Hour by Jake. So let's take a look at the strumming now. And the song starts with the A major 7, the verse. So grab that chord, so A major 7, and 1 string around would be 3 downs, clap, and 2 downs. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. That is 1 string around. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, clap, 1, 2. And when he plays the piano, he goes very fast. He alternates his piano keys there. So if you want, you can add up this, and instead of playing 1, 2, 3, like just downs, you can play down, up, down, up, down, up. So play twice as many touches on the guitar string. So So it will be down, up, down, up, down, up. 3 down is ups, then clap, and then 2 down ups. So the pattern is the same, 3, clap 2, but you now add the up in between the downs. So that is an option you can go with if you think that is closer to the sound, but I think it's more like convenient and relaxed to play just the downs and focus more on the chord switches. So that is what I'm gonna teach now. I'm just gonna mention you can do that with the ups if you want to. So let's go into the verse, and we have the A major 7. It goes for 2 rounds, so then comes this E G chord, 2 rounds. Then the F sharp minor. And then the E major 7. And that is your first verse. So A major, E G, F sharp minor, and E major, 2 string rounds per chord. And now over to the pre-chorus. In the lyrics, I was all alone with the love of my life. All right. So I'm gonna continue with A major for 2 string rounds. Then the G sharp minor. And the F sharp minor. And the G sharp for 2 rounds. All right, so that was the pre-chorus, the A major, the G sharp minor, the F sharp minor, and the G sharp. Play 2 string rounds per chord there. Over now to the first chorus, and you're gonna play, yeah, of course, in the lyrics, it's shine, it's your golden hour, that's where we are. I think you know that. A major, you're gonna play for 3 rounds. Yeah, 3 rounds there. And then A minor, 1. And then we have the E major 7. For 4 rounds. So far, A major 3, A minor 1, E major 4. Then you continue with A major for 3 rounds. A minor 1, and E major 3, and E7 1. Yes, and perhaps forgot to mention the E7, not sure there. Yeah, I think I did, but it's anyway open E, second A, open D, first G, open B, and open E. In case I forgot that, that's the E7 chord. And that E7 ends the chorus. So to summarize the chorus, it was A major 3 rounds, A minor 1, E major 4, then A major 3, A minor 1, E major 3, E7 1. All right. Over to the second verse. And the second verse is longer than the first one, but it starts in the same way as the first one. So you can imagine that you play the first one in exact same way. You're gonna play that in the second verse. So that starts with A major 2, the E G 2, then the F sharp minor 2, and the E major 2. Okay, so far that is like the first verse. Then it continues with A major 7, 2, and the lyrics for the love of my life. So A major 2, then a G sharp minor 2, then an F sharp minor 2, and then the E major 2. And that ends the second verse. So to summarize the second verse, it's played in the same way as the first verse, all right? And after that, you're gonna continue with A major 7, 2, G sharp minor 2, F sharp minor 2, and E major 2. Then we have the second pre-chorus. It's played in the exact same way as the first one. So A major G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and G sharp, 2 string rounds per chord. Then we have the final chorus, the second one, and it's played in the same way as the first chorus, so no changes there. All right, and after the second chorus comes the outro part. All right, so there you're gonna play the A major for 3 rounds, A minor 1, E major 4. All right, so it's very familiar. It's the chorus play. You're gonna continue with A major 3, A minor 1, E major 3, and E7 1. So that is pretty much how you play the chorus. Then after that, he has this little bit different piano playing. We're not gonna cover that. It's just piano keys played in a different way, made for piano. So in my opinion, the song ends there. After you play the second chorus, you're gonna play the outro, which is another chorus play, and that is how Jake's golden hour ends. All right, so Rural, hope you enjoyed this. This was for you and all you Jake fans. So hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I work a lot here to make your wishes come through here when it comes to yeah, your musical wish songs. So I hope you can support me here. Give me a like on this tutorial, subscribe to this channel. It will make my day. So thank you so much, guys, and till next time, play tuned.